Hi, it's Aqua WTI and I found my new favorite coffee. This is the Starbucks Nespresso Vertuo Veranda Blend. I find it is so far the best tasting coffee because it's so smooth. There's no bitterness. I like coffee that is just smooth. It doesn't leave a nasty aftertaste. It just is smooth. It is considered a blonde, so it's going to be a little bit lower acidity too. It's not going to hurt your stomach quite as bad as some other stronger coffees. It comes 8 capsules per package. I like that it comes in a little organized box and it fits in my drawer. The capsule size is for a 7.7 ounce cup, so basically a mug. So this is not for the espresso size. This is 100% Arabica coffee, so really quality. It's going to have notes of toasted malt and baking chocolate. Both are yum and delicious. I think that really adds to the delicious, just pleasant mildness of this coffee. I love that with this coffee too, it gives that great foam at the end. I love that about the Nespresso, so easy and so delicious. I love cream in my coffee, so I might add even a little too much cream, but it tastes good black or with cream and sugar. My husband likes his iced and it's just as delicious. I have found my favorite Nespresso capsule flavor. The search is over. I'll be purchasing this from now on, and that's my point of view.